The world's best soccer players wear this boot. The leather comes from an animal that kicks with 2,000 pounds of force. The kangaroo, Australia's icon. Its skin evolved over millions of years to become the strongest leather on Earth. A kangaroo kick generates 2,000 pounds of force, enough to shatter bone. Their skin must survive this. The secret? Fiber structure. Cowhide fibers are tangled. Kangaroo fibers run perfectly parallel, 10 times stronger, 1 millimeter thick, thinner than a credit card, yet it withstands forces that tear cowhide apart. For soccer players, thinner leather means better ball feel. The foot connects directly to the game. For motorcyclists, thinner means lighter protection. At 200 miles per hour, every gram matters. But how does a wild Australian marsupial become a professional soccer cleat? The journey starts here. From Australia to tanneries worldwide, a journey of thousands of miles begins. 50 million kangaroos in Australia, more than twice the human population. Numbers must be managed. Without natural predators, populations explode. Australia operates the world's most regulated wildlife program. Licensed harvesters undergo rigorous training. Every animal is tagged and tracked through the supply chain. 50 million kangaroos in Australia, more than twice the human population. Numbers must be managed. Without natural predators, populations explode. Australia operates the world's most regulated wildlife program. Licensed harvesters undergo rigorous training. Every animal is tagged and tracked through the supply chain. Harvesting occurs only at night. Methods ensure no suffering, more humane than conventional livestock farming. Within minutes, each animal enters the cold chain. Temperature control is critical from outback to factory. By dawn, the harvest arrives at government-inspected processing facilities. The harvest enters cold storage. The cold chain begins and never breaks. Skilled workers handle each hide with care. Even small nicks can ruin premium leather. Each hide is graded. Only premium grades become professional athletic gear. Salt preservation, an ancient method that draws moisture out, preventing decay during transport. The hides cure for several days. Salt draws out moisture, preserving them for the journey ahead. Preserved hides are compressed into bales. Efficient packaging for international shipping. Export labels mark destinations worldwide. Italy, Japan, USA, Germany. The finest tanneries await. Packed into containers, the raw hides begin their ocean journey. Across the ocean to world-renowned tanneries. Weeks later, thousands of miles away, the transformation begins. Italian tanneries, where centuries-old tradition meets modern technology. The Australian hides arrive, each one inspected after the long journey. Soaking rehydrates the hides. Up to 48 hours, restoring moisture and flexibility. Timing drums remove hair and open the fiber structure for tanning chemicals. The fleshing machine strips away a remaining tissue. Pure, clean leather fiber remains. Blitting achieves precise thickness. Kangaroo leather, just 1 millimeter. Fractions matter. Chrome tanning, the moment leather is truly born. Chromium bonds permanently with collagen. Wet blue leather, named for its color. Tanning must penetrate completely and evenly, dyeing. Thin kangaroo leather absorbs color evenly throughout pella, not just on the surface. Colors for every application. Black for soccer cleats. Brown for premium accessories. Fat liquoring adds softness. Oils lubricate the fibers. Without this, leather would be stiff, controlled dry. Toggle machines stretch the leather to precise dimensions. Final finishing. Surface treatments add durability and the perfect sheen. Final inspection. Only perfect leather ships to manufacturers. From raw hide to premium leather. Ready for the world's finest manufacturers. Athletic footwear factories, where Kangaroo leather becomes the ultimate connection between player and ball. Premium Kangaroo leather arrives from Italy. One final inspection before cutting begins. Digital design optimizes every pattern piece. Minimal waste, maximum performance. Laser cutting, surgical precision on 1mm leather. Too much power damages, too little leaves rough edges. Cut pieces organized into kits. Each tray contains every component for one pair of boots. Master stitchers join the pieces. Each stitch must be perfect. Thin leather is unforgiving. Multiple panels become a single upper. The boot takes shape under skilled hands. Steam softens the leather. It molds to the form and eventually to the player's foot. The sole plate bonds to the upper. Modern adhesives create bonds stronger than the materials themselves. Final details transform production into perfection. Every element precisely placed. Flex testing simulates thousands of hours. Boots that fail never reach athletes. Stud pull tests ensure the sole will never separate during a match. Human eyes provide the final check. Every stitch, every bond examined. Your premium packaging for the journey to athletes worldwide. From Australian outback to premium cleats. Ready for the pitch. From soccer pitches. Kangaroo leather performs where it matters most. Carefully packaged for journeys around the globe. From Australia to Italy to the world. By ship, by air, by truck. Over 100 countries served. At the highest levels of sport, where perfection is demanded. It begins in the Australian outback, where evolution created something remarkable. An animal with skin strong enough to survive 2,000-pound kits. Kangaroo leather, 10 times stronger, half the thickness, the strongest leather on Earth. That's how it's made.